Describe the use of Gantt charts for planning and scheduling. How to use Gantt charts for planning and scheduling. Gantt charts is a very helpful tool that can help you to organize, manage, and communicate the tasks and their schedules to the stakeholders in project management. The first thing to prepare is the schedule. In the schedule, all the tasks for a particular activity are listed in chronological order in order of their occurrence. This will prove to be an extremely helpful planning tool that will help to establish a series of deadlines by which the tasks need to breaking down the schedule to running sheets for the project because all team members will need the same amount of detail. The Gantt chart is a very useful tool to detail and communicate an overview of tasks. You can create Gantt charts for the whole project, creating the Gantt chart for distinct tasks are represented by a line on a grid. One of these on the chart lists the tasks, and the other axis shows the time frame. You should keep in mind that some of the tasks will need to take place before other tasks can happen. Also, on the other hand, some tasks may be completed before others to see as well as glance may be done simultaneously of how the various tasks overlap and fit together. This will help them to identify any gaps or discrepancies in their task schedule. They can also use the Gantt chart to identify the critical path of the event. The critical path of the event is the shortest time frame does not help to convey finer details of the task, but is greatly useful in conveying the broad overview of the task. It can also help to convey a broad timetable real-life example to a variety of stakeholders. How to use Gantt charts for planning and scheduling. Electric, the leading manufacturer of electrical solutions such as MCBs and MCCBs, etc. Recently, Perseus has adopted its employees to be trained in defined batches and reporting functions. The employees who will be using the software the most should be trained first. Management decides that in order to roll out the software training program effectively, the software rollout and schedule it properly, and decides to use Gantt chart for planning and scheduling effectively. Let's look at the steps that he uses to develop the Gantt chart. To develop the chart, identify all the tasks involved, determine order and task relationships, identify critical milestones or intermediate goals, calculate the time for each task, allocate tasks to people, develop the Gantt chart, review and update the Gantt chart. Jake said that the main tasks involved in this project are developing standard training material to be used across the organization and places them in order. Mix of classroom, also, he notices hands-on training for the employees conduct extensive training sessions for employees start before previous task is finished, and an overview training session until employees who will have a limited use of the software. Jake determines the mid-level goals or milestones based on the tasks. He decides the time that would be needed to complete each one. Next, Jake allocates each of the tasks to a person who is best suited for it. Few of the tasks he even distributes among groups of people so that they can be completed on Gantt chart as per Excel sheet. Continuously keeps track of the progress of the project. He's well aware of any deviation from the plan, there are any changes that he foresees so that there is the least Gantt chart to the overall project. Thus, you can see that